Are you seeing too many attempts try again later and can't log in? Don't worry, this video will show you how to fix it fast in 2026. This error happens when you try to log in too many times or perform actions too quickly. It's actually a security feature, but it can be really frustrating. In this video, I'll show you simple steps to fix it instantly. Why this error happens. Here are the main reasons. Too many wrong password attempts. Refreshing or clicking too fast, submitting forms repeatedly, suspicious or automated activity. Platforms use something called rate limiting to block too many requests. Step-by-step fix. Step 1. Wait a few minutes, stop trying again and again. Wait at least 5 to 15 minutes, sometimes longer. Step 2. Clear cache and cookies, go to your browser settings and clear browsing data. This fixes most login issues instantly. Step 3. Use incognito mode. Open a private window and try logging in again. This bypasses stored data problems. Step 4. Switch browser or device. Try another browser or use your phone instead. Step 5. Change network, switch Wi-Fi, or use mobile data. This gives you a new IP address. Step 6. Reset password, click Forgot Password, and create a new one. This often unlocks your account immediately. Advanced tips. Use a VPN if needed, disable browser extensions. Avoid rapid clicking or refreshing. These help prevent the issue from happening again. Prevention tips. Enable two-factor authentication. Use a password manager. And always enter your details carefully. This keeps your account safe and avoids errors. So that's how you fix the too many attempts try again later error quickly. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more tech fixes. For more detailed guides, visit humanityyuapd.com.